I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake molds at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need some heavy-duty aluminum foil, a small glass or a round object of similar size, and a pair of scissors. Make sure your work surface is clean and flat. This simple method is perfect when you run out of paper liners or want a specific size for your delicious treats. It's a quick and easy solution. Now, let's start shaping. Take your heavy-duty aluminum foil and cut a square that is approximately 8 by 8 inches. This size works well for standard cupcakes. Place the bottom of your small glass directly in the center of the foil square. Carefully and gently press the foil up and around the base of the glass, forming the initial cup shape. With the base formed, continue pressing the aluminum foil up the sides of the glass, ensuring it conforms to the glass's shape. Take your time to smooth out any wrinkles or creases as you go. This helps create a sturdy and even mold. Once you're satisfied with the shape, carefully remove the glass, and you'll have a perfectly formed homemade cupcake mold ready for baking. Here are a few extra tips for your homemade molds. For extra sturdy molds, especially if you're baking something heavier, consider using 2 layers of aluminum foil. These molds are incredibly versatile and perfect for single-serving desserts beyond just cupcakes, like mini quiches or individual cheesecakes. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.